Hello. On the internet, you can find a lot of such images. They show us the positions of the satellites that we have planted in our sky. So it's quite obvious that most of the satellites are planted just above the Earth's surface. But then there's a distinct ring here, right? This is actually a very special orbit called the geostationary orbit. There are a lot of interesting things to talk about when it comes to satellites, but in this video I just want to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of parking your satellites at low or high altitudes. Firstly, if you park your satellites too low, then it can only cover a small region because the Earth is round, my dear. So the satellites cannot see beyond the horizon. So it can only provide its services to this region here. So if you want your satellites to have a high coverage, then you want to plant it high in the sky so that it can see a larger portion of the Earth. If latency is your concern, then you want to park your satellites low in the sky. To communicate with the satellites, we have to beam radio waves or microwaves, right? Which travel at a speed of 3.0 times 10 to the power of 8. So if you park your satellites at say 100,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface, then it's going to take hundreds of milliseconds, for the signals to reach your satellite. So if you are using the satellite for satellite phones, then you cannot tolerate such latency. It's not possible to have a satellite phone conversation like this if the signal takes hundreds of milliseconds. Another reason to park your satellites low is if you are using it to spy on your neighbors. So obviously, if you want to have high resolution images, then you want to park it low. Yet another reason for parking your satellites low would be the cost. Obviously, if you're parking low in the sky, you only require a small rocket. But if you're going to park it way up there, Elon Musk will be smiling happily at you. This is probably the main reason why most satellites are parked just above the Earth's surface. Look how cluttered it is. So what about the geostationary orbit? It looks so popular, but it costs a bomb, to park the satellites so far away from us. Now, why the geostationary orbit is so attractive deserves another video. I'll just leave you with a clue here. Ta-ta!